Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is why boys fail in college. It's written by Herbert E. Hawks, right? Question number one is, according to the writer, there are some boys who fail in college because they do not try. Who are they and can we help them? कि कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो कोशिश नहीं करते और फेल हो जाते हैं, क्या हम उनकी मदद कर सकते हैं? इसका आंसर है, according to the writer, there are some students who do not study. Such students are victim of nervous habits. They find it difficult to sit at the desk and concentrate on the task assigned. We can help them by telling the problem, as nobody can solve their issue until they try themselves. जब तक वो खुद कोशिश नहीं करेंगे कोई उनकी मदद नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है. How does mistaken ambition on the part of the boys and their parents lead to the failure of the boys? कि कैसे माँ बाप की ख्वाहिशात की वजह से बच्चे फेल होते हैं. Mistaken ambitions lead them to failure because the boys think that they are following the directions mapped out by their parents and it's opposite to their interest and abilities. बच्चों को लगता है कि उनके माँ बाप ने वो अपने माँ बाप के कहने पे चल रहे हैं और ये उनका अपना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, इसलिए वो फेल हो जाते हैं. आगे है जी क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर लीड टू द फेलियर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स? डू यू हैव सिमिलर केसेस इन योर कंट्री के फाइनेंस का प्रेशर किस तरह से बच्चों को फेल करता है? लर्निंग एंड अर्निंग एट द सेम टाइम इज हार्मफुल टू द health as well as to their education. Doing part-time jobs and selling the blood affect not only the quality of their education but also their abilities. ठीक है कि एक ही वक्त में कमाना और पढ़ना जो है वो आसान काम नहीं है और बच्चों की सेहत इससे मुतासर होती है. To what extent does the question of health lead to the failure at college? How far can the college authorities with their medical officers help students? के अगर कॉलेज की अथॉरिटीज उनके के मेडिकल फैसिलिटी उनके साथ हो तो क्या बच्चों के फेलियर को रोका जा सकता है या नहीं रोका जा सकता? ठीक है, इसका आंसर है जी, the question of both mental and physical health lead to the failure at college to greater extent. There is no substitute for health, and students must have physical energy to cope with their problems. If suitable health services are available in the college and if proper cooperation exists between college staff and college doctor, a number of cases can be avoided. Okay, इस तरह के केसेस अवॉइड किए जा सकते हैं अगर